The lilies are blooming here in the lily pond. Look at those lilies. Wow. You get here earlier in the morning, they're all open. So here we are this morning, and I've got, finally, I got delivery of the battery for the 650. I know I was skating on thin ice there with an 8-year-old battery, or 7-year-old, whatever it was. Didn't want to have to call the alien rescue squad or anything. We got a brand new battery. Not going to install it today. And this is always the dilemma this time of year that becomes a problem. You wait all through the winter for this summer riding time that's absolutely wonderful. Get out early in the morning, it's cool. The hour you got to come home, it's hot, maybe a little too hot. But this is the prime year. This is the prime 3 or 4 months in the middle of the season. So I'm trying to postpone doing maintenance for a rainy day, or a day that Karen has to go to the doctor and I have to, or something that the day is broken up. Because this is basically less than an hour job to do it, and I wanted to show it on video too. These lithium-ion batteries, I have had nothing but good luck with them, and this is a real battery tender one. So I'm going to save this for another day, and to be honest, I just want to go for a ride. I don't know, like a, you know, the weather we have hit a patch of weather, and what's even better, they've been predicting all these thunder showers and every horrible thing. Nothing. We got 3 drops of rain on us the one time, and that was it. So we'll hopefully be able to put one more of the final few pieces of this restoration together. And it's my own fault for not checking a date on that battery. When I did, I had it all apart, but luckily I checked it before we got stuck on a road. And of course the two evil twin GSs always smiling at each other here, rubbing noses in my garage while I get everything ready for this morning's ride. Are you guys hungry? I can't believe it. After Miles fed you a half a box of food last night. Holy mackerel. And this is literally turning into Groundhog Day. He seems to be outsmarting us every morning. So after a quick perp walk through Karen's garden, we'll be ready for what I hope is going to be just another beautiful summer day here in the Northeast. I'm just doing the end of the pre-flight and making sure we are ready to go. We are ready. Boy, we have waited through what was a pretty brutal winter to get to this point of the year, and we're looking at the next 3 to 4 months of hopefully riding every day. And I learned a long time ago, in fact I learned the hard way, you do these restorations all winter, you got to get them done in time for the riding season. And I know I've been tempted from time to time to at the very end, just let everything go and not be in the middle of the summer before I got the restoration done. Well, not this year. I actually feel good about having all the bikes ready to go, and I try to keep them that way. And I try to do the maintenance, well, hopefully before things break or wear out, or before tires get really bald and dangerous, or batteries don't start the bike with one push of the button. Well, it's a challenge. You know, we spend a lot of time and energy, especially during the winter months or the months when I do a lot of this work. Try to keep these things as new looking and running as possible, but always keep in mind, this guy is 38 years old, and he's a delicate girl, you know. He likes to go out like go to dinner parties now instead of going to the races. But any day I get to ride the GS, it's always a good, actually any of these bikes. I always say it's hard to pick which one I like, because there's days I wake up in the morning and I say, it's a GS day, it's an R1 day, it's a 2-stroke day. I really do like having them all. And it's basically one bike from every 10-year century, I guess is the right word, not a century. Every 10 years is not a century, my boy. Anyway, one bike from every 10 years. And that's just, I don't know how to how to explain it. It works for me, always keeps my mind occupied, always keeps me busy, and all summer I get to ride every day. A farmer's work is never done. Oh, I love being a farmer. Tilling the soil, driving the tractor, pruning the petunias. What a life. And riding GS1100s. The final cup of coffee. We're looking out here. Supposed to go into the low 90s today and no chance of rain. It's going to be hot on the ride home, I know that, but we're out of here early. Oh, it's a beautiful sunny day. you get here earlier in the morning, they're all open. So is Miles coming over for lunch with Grandpa? Yes. You bribed him. What'd you bribe him with? Lemon ice? No bribes today. No bribes? Oh my God. No bribes, no groundhogs. Oh yeah, yeah. Beautiful ride. The lily pond is just starting to have lilies in it. Well, that area up by the FAYSON lily pond. Wow. That is some nice area. Anyway, one of the things today, of course, we have to work around. Because summer's here, Miles is going to be with us most of the days in the afternoon. And when Miles was a little younger, he would help me wipe the bugs off the bike, but he's kind of lost interest in that, so basically I have to wipe all the bugs off the bike. So it was just a wonderful day, a wonderful ride. I had to cut it short. I really do look forward to having Miles here for lunch. We have a great time. I really miss the fact he used to help me with this bug removal, because we're still in a bug season. At the end of a ride, you rub your hand on the headlight, it's like sandpaper with bugs. Anyway, I enjoy making these videos. I hope you enjoy watching them. And I want to always thank the healthcare heroes that are making these rides possible during this terrible pandemic time that we're going through. And I hope that's over soon. We're praying for it. Anyway, but we have a limited thing we can do. We're in the vulnerable part of the population, so we have to be very careful, and well, so far we've survived. Anyway, again, hope you did enjoy the video, and wish you were coming here for lunch today with us. Miles can be very entertaining. He, I don't know what to say, I'm prejudiced. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and really, I do hope you enjoyed the video.